Okay guys, so once you finish the getting started bit, you can see now we're in the profile area. So this video is to just basically take you through what you can change and what you can manipulate. First things first, we needed to fill out this PAW, so medical details. So you don't need to tap anything if all your answers are a no, but obviously if you do have a heart condition, then click yes there, please. Food allergies, any injuries, things like that. We need to know more details on. But realistically, if they're all no's, then just keep them as no's. This is also a place where when you enter your food at the end of the day, which there'll be another video on how to do that, it will create a history of all the days and what your carbs, fats, proteins and calories have been. Same with your steps when you enter your steps as well. So this is like a history log of everything you filled out as well. So these are the recommended calories for you to start off with. Well, this is where your recommended calories will be. Don't have these calories, these are for me, but going off your goal. So, and you can see here, if I change my goal, so let's say if I get lean and weight loss and click save, it will then change my calories. Okay, and it'll tell me up there that they've changed. So you can see they're a lot lower there. Okay, and you can see obviously the difference from rest day to workout day on fats and on carbohydrates and things like that. Okay, you can go in here and manipulate steps. So if 12,000 is too many and you average in about 8,000 a day, then you can do that. Obviously, this is where your weight should automatically change anyway with your weekly check-ins, but if you want to go and put a target weight in there, say for me 90 kg, and click save there, and then that's fine. Okay, it's also a place you can update your password from the one you were given by us, and if your email changes, it's a place where you can go in there. Even if your name changes, for whatever reason, you can go in and change it. So these are the bits that you need to be aware of and that you can go in and change. Now, as we go on with this subscription site, this area will become more flexible, so you'll be able to go in and change more things. So you should be able to go in and manually change these if you want, and there'll be a lot more stuff. But you can see how then that automatically uploads from there. So I'm on a rest day, it says today. It automatically goes then to my overview site with the carbs, with the proteins, things like that. And it's also taking my target weight into account. So I'm 100 kg now. I think I've said I wanted to get down to 90. Is it 90? Yes, a 10 kg loss, and it's got that there. So when I check in and things like that, it'll update it weekly. Okay, so that's just to take you through the profile section and how it integrates with the rest of the site.